In this session, we'll be adding date picker into our reservation form for started and ended. And the one we're going to use is jQuery UI date picker, just like what you see here. Don't worry, even if you don't understand anything about jQuery, because we're going to do it in a very easy way. Now, if you go here, jQuery UI Rails, there is a very handy gem will help us make things easier to work with Rails with jQuery. You can go to this link on GitHub and feel free to dive deep and play around with this one if you want. In our project folder, open gem 5 and we're going to add that gem into here. So we got gem jQuery UI Rails. All right, and the version we're going to use is greater than, let's say 5.0. Save the file. Go back to terminal, stop the server, and run the bundle. All right, and then just restart the server again. Now let's go back to our project. I want you to open F, Access, JavaScript, and application.js. And here we need to add the required jQuery, so just copy paste, and this one actually is going to be jQuery UI / date picker. All right, save the file. Make sure that this hyphen is not underscore. Next, we're going to implement the date picker into our form. So open views, reservations, and form.html.erb. So down here, I'll just create a script, and we got the function, and inside here let's create the, let's say we got the reservations start date dot date picker, and then here inside here we're going to pass date format. Let's say we start day, month, year. All right, and we're going to do the same thing with the end date. Very easy, just end it. All right, so the question here is, how do I know this text field got the ID is reservation started and this one reservation ended? I'm going to show you now. So if you go back here and this room, hit refresh. All right, first click here. Awesome. So at least we got the started and ended, but for some reason the style sheet doesn't work properly. We're going to fix that in a bit, but right now I want you to open the developer Chrome tool and click on one of those. And can you see that? The reason I know the ID is because when I open the Chrome tool, I see the ID is reservation underscore start underscore date. All right, so that is why. And also the other reason is that because you got the reservation form here, so by default Rails will create the ID like reservation, which is this form, and the name of the field, which is start date. Now basically our style sheet doesn't work well, so what we're going to do is open view, layout, application.html.erb, and we're going to add the style sheet for that date picker in here. Go back here, I want you to go the code.jquery.com, and inside the jQuery UI, the current version is 1.12, and here is a different theme that you can try, but I think the Hostnick is nice one, so I'll just click on this. All right, just copy this one, copy, go back here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new link, say link, and just paste this one here. Save the file. Let's go back here, hit refresh, and okay, moment of truth. Hey, look at this. So now we got very nice date picker, beautiful. If I click this one, all right, it transfer to the 12, June 2017, and this one, all right, 22nd June 2017. Beautiful. Again, if you go back to this link, feel free to choose any theme here. Awesome. So everything's working perfectly. Now you see it's quite easy to create stuff like this without learning much about JavaScript or jQuery. Of course, it would be super awesome if you have full knowledge of that, but if you don't, then in Code for Startup, that is not a problem. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next challenge.